After you have logged into .loop, you should be on your loops screen. We're going to navigate our loops screen. At the top, the .loop logo should indicate premium. Dalton Wade is paying for your .loop subscription, and you have premium status. This top taskbar running along the top of your computer, this is your top level navigation. This navigation will not change no matter what screen you are on. It will always be here. You will always have access to .loop reports. You can always go back to your loops screen. This is the screen we are on now. You will always have access to all of your tasks. This is a compilation of all tasks from all of your loops. You will have access to your contacts. These are all of your contacts from all of your loops. You will have access to all of the Dalton Wade templates. This includes Florida Interactive Forms, all custom Dalton Wade forms, and forms that we have created for you from the various MLS memberships. This is your account information. And from it, you can see that you have access to .loop's support number, 1-888-368-5667. You also have access to .loop's Help Center. You also have access to your profiles. You may have more than one profile. You will definitely have your Dalton Wade profile. That profile should be your default profile, which you can set by going into My Account. If you need assistance making your Dalton Wade profile your default profile, you can reach me at lisa@daltonwade.com, or you can call .loop support. As we move lower on our loop screen, we can see our activity log. This is the activity log for all of our loops. We can see notifications. Notifications can alert you if someone has signed a document, if you need to sign a document. These are your notifications for all of your loops. From your main loop screen, we can add a loop. We can search for our loops. This will search all of our loops. We can also control how our screen looks. This is our View button. Click it, and you can see you can choose from Compact View, which is what you're seeing now on my screen. You can switch to List View, which looks like this. Or Grid View, which looks like this. Each view contains all of your loops based on the filters that you have chosen to view them. To adjust your filters, click Filters, and you can choose to view all of your loops. You can look for only your archived loops, or you can hide your archived loops. Hiding our archived loops is most typical unless we're looking for something that may have been archived. You can also filter by loop type. Listings for lease, leases, no transaction type, other, listings for sale and purchases. Other might include referrals. You can also filter by loop statuses. No status, private listing, under contract, sold, leased, new, done, pre-listing, active listing, withdrawn, terminated, pre-offer, or in progress. A common question that I get is, why am I seeing all of my sold listings on my screen? Many people don't want to see a property once it's sold. This is where that is corrected. If this box is checked, you will see your sold properties. Simply uncheck the box and apply the setting. You can also search or filter properties. You can filter them with the review stage. You can play with these filters. Once you find filters that you like, you can save them. If you hit save, you'll be prompted to enter a filter name. Click Create and Apply to save your filters and apply them. Now your filter shows under your saved custom filters. You can have many custom filters. In this filter, I want to see the properties that I've completed. They're done or they're sold. Leases may not be considered sold, therefore I have marked done. I want to see my completed transactions. I'm going to save this filter and call it my solds. I will create and apply. I can also sort the properties that I see on my screen, the loops that I see on my screen. I can sort those by last updated, transaction price, listed date, expiration date, closing date, submitted for review date, or contract agreement date, also creation date. I can sort them by the oldest to the newest, or the most recent to the oldest with this arrow. Thank you for joining me.